At this point, I'm sure you all know how my mornings start. I do my basic essentials like brushing my teeth, washing my face, and then I just go on to my first study block of the day. Today, it was revising GST on the whiteboard. You guys, one thing or the other is happening in my life, and I am not really able to study as much as I would have liked. Like, do you remember my last video in which I showed you guys how much I read in a week? Yeah, I'm not even studying half of that right now because there is just so much that is going on in our life. I can't disclose really, but I have been super busy with all the housework and just like getting things done, stuff like that. So I am just studying in bits and pieces, like wherever and whenever I'm getting the time to study, I am studying. And in the other parts, we are going out, we are shopping, and we are cleaning the home, just stuff like that. तो बहुत कुछ हो रहा है backstage, and yeah, I am just trying to study for my finals in the midst of it all. But this is literally the last week जिसमें ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है. Like I have been very busy. तो बस इसके बाद from the next week I will get my time to study, and I need to start pulling in those 10-hour study sessions ASAP because मेरा काफ़ी ज़्यादा backlog हो चुका है at this point. And I don't know, I feel sometimes things happen and you can't just stop living. Though I am not very sad about it, but at the same time मेरा पूरा study schedule, मेरा पूरा study tracker is ruined, and I am very sad about that. But at the same time, the things that are happening are very nice, and I'm looking forward to them. From 20th, I think I will start studying a lot more, and उसके बाद मेरे को अपना DT का mock test भी देना है, and ये इतना ज़्यादा delay हो चुका है. Like I had plans of giving 3 mocks this month, but अब मेरा एक मॉक नेक्स्ट मॉक लाइक नेक्स्ट मंथ के 1 और 2 डेट तक हो जाए तो आई विल बी मोर देन हैप्पी अबाउट इट. तो या बस अभी यही चल रहा है. आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू स्टडी एवरी टाइम आई गेट, एंड आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू स्टडी जितना ज़्यादा मैं पढ़ पा रही हूँ. आई एम ऑल्सो हैविंग बैकलॉग्स ऑफ माई लेक्चर्स, क्योंकि मेरे को होता है कि मैंने अगर एक लेक्चर देखा है तो मैं उसको रिवाइज करके ही नेक्स्ट लेक्चर देखूँ. तो मेरा काफ़ी ज़्यादा टाइम इस चीज़ में निकल जा रहा है. एंड ऑल्सो यू गाइस, आई वॉन्ट योर सजेशंस ऑन कैसे मैं IDT को बहुत अच्छे से कर सकती हूँ. Guys, I got a few things. We have some lactose-free milk which I need to wash because it's not really clean. I got some pimple patches because I have gotten way too many pimples on my face for some reason. And then I got this Kinder Joy, and I am very excited. guys, I'm back in my room. I'm just gonna fill the exam form because it's live now. And I'm just logging in to fill the form. Let me show you. You guys, my exam form is filled now, so I think I should just study now and get this degree ASAP. Almost 2 a.m. right now. I want to unbox my books with you all, so let's do this right now. Because for some reason, I'm very energized right now because I had my coffee at like 7 p.m. today, so I am feeling pretty energized. Let's unbox the books that I have recently gotten during the Amazon sale that was going on. So yeah, let's get into it. I've gotten way too many feminist books and I want to learn so much more about the topic because it is something that has always resonated with me, and now I think it's time that I gain a lot more knowledge about the subject. I think books are gonna be like a great way to gain some more knowledge about this topic. So I have ordered quite a few books and I am very very happy and excited to gain some knowledge from them and to become a better feminist, I guess. So now let's just get into it. So this is the amount of boxes that we have to unbox. So let's start with it right now. These are the two books that I have in the first package. First book that we have is We Should All Be Feminists, and it's by this particular author. I don't think I want to take her name and ruin it. So yeah, that's the author, and this book was for 300 rupees and I think I got it for around 250ish. So yeah, this is the first book. It's pretty small, a great compact book, and you can just read it in like one sitting. These are the kind of books that I have been gravitating towards simply because I am studying for my finals and I don't have that much time to read, but still want to read. So these are the sort of books that have been keeping me going and have been helping me with keeping my reading goals on track. So I am very excited to read this one. This is the second book that we have in the first package, and this is The Feminine Mystique. It's by Betty Friedan. It's a Penguin modern classic, and I'm very excited to have another book in my modern classics collection. So I'm happy about that, and I'm very excited to read a book like this. Now let's open the next package and see what are the books that we have inside this one. These are the two books that he got. They are pretty thick. Just got to unbox them. Now let's open the last package that we have. The first book that we have is Breasts and Eggs. This is what the book looks like. I have been meaning to read this one for such a long time. A little bit on the thicker size, and I'm excited to read it because I have heard a lot of good things about this particular author, and I'm just interested in reading about things like this as I myself get into adulthood and just learning to own my body a lot more. So I am very intrigued by this book and the cover and the name, everything. I'm very excited to read the book and give you guys a review of it. Another book that I got is this one. This is The Woman Destroyed. I am like 4% into the book on my iPad, but I just thought that I need this book in my hand to read and sort of annotate. So I wanted the book for it. Very intrigued by the book, and I was really liking the story, so I got the book as well and can't wait to read it. Lastly, we have the most famous book that you can read if you want to be a feminist, which is The Second Sex, and this is how thick of a book it is, and I think I'm gonna learn so much more about feminism. I'm very very interested to read this book. Those were all the books that I have quoted, and I'm very excited to read them. So yeah, I just thought that I will add in this little element for you all into the video.